Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nando. I'm a 23-year-old father, trader, and pretty much I just embarked on this journey not so long ago. I want to say 4 months ago, with trading, with changing my life around. I started creating content like 2 months ago. If y'all clicked on this video, I know y'all want to change your life. I pretty much was going on about looking on YouTube, looking online, how to make more money to save time. I want to spend more time with my son at all times. He's growing so quick, and I just pretty much steered into finding an alternative to make money. I'm not trying to stay at work more than what I am at home, you know. Pretty much on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how trading can change your life. Yes, it's a process, trust me. I'll lead you guys into the right direction. I'll leave the links down below to the courses that I've taken, to my mentors, to everything that I've done that has developed this skill, right? One thing I really want to tell you guys is you got to invest in yourself no matter what. I was very skeptical at first because I was new to trading. I was new to all this world. I was new to this social media stuff, right? The people that I've grown with and that I've been with in this community is people that I resonated with, you know. It was people, genuine people that I trust and that I vouch for, you know. If you guys really want to change your life, y'all could check them out.
As y'all saw, it's currently 4:00. I woke up at 4:06. It's currently 4:27. About to hit my little push-ups. I'm trying to upload last night's video. My laptop is fucking slow, bro. But it's a new day, new opportunity. Let's see what the market brings for us today. Yeah, it's a new day, new start. I'm trying to bring you guys along my day. I'm trying to incorporate that more. Like I tell you guys, I just have a very small time frame. I had a comment asking like, well, why does your routine matter? It's about the work you put in. No, if you only have such a small time frame to actually put in the work, if not, you miss that. If I miss that time frame, I don't do my journal. I don't do my push-ups. I'm fucked. Pretty much, I need to do my routine in order to have a successful morning. Besides that, let's get to it. And yeah, currently uploading that video. It's almost up. And yeah.
I've been held back because I got so much content recorded, and I'm trying to record and upload what I'm doing at the current time, right? But I got delayed with the video, and it just fucking snowballed into me having so much content recorded on my phone, and like then my laptop is slow as fuck, bro. Like I don't know what the fuck is going on with that shit. It's slow as hell. I might need to upgrade. I don't know. I don't really know. But pretty much the past 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, I managed to make over $2,200 with my trading, right? And I've been debating on like if I should just create an individual video for each of those 2 days, or just make a video once I'm done passing my combine. Today I could have passed my combine. Today's Thursday. I ended up letting my emotions take over. I don't know why. I know why I got fucked over, because I was already up in profit and my bias was correct. I'm telling you, like the same mistakes that led me to me losing my combine last time were creeping up today. And I figured it out. It's just I gotta listen to myself. I don't have to listen to others. Just because something is working for other people, I shouldn't do that. My strategy, pretty much, I was going into the 5-minute time frame. I was finding confluences in the 5-minute time frame before 9:30. Back-to-back days, I made over $1,000. Today I could have passed my combine and made more profit, but I screwed myself over. I let my emotions take over and just fucked it all up. But we learn from that. Tomorrow is a new day, and I already know I've done this mistake a couple times, so I already know that, and I gotta stick to it. I gotta stick to my routine. I gotta stick to all that. But I'm just so overwhelmed because I need to record so much content, and I'm just so fucking lost at the moment because I don't even know where to start, what to finish, what to edit. But as soon as I get this video done, it's a banger, trust me. And then I found out so many other things to make my videos reach more people, to do all of that stuff, right? My Instagram is popping as well. I'm starting on Threads. I got so much going on, but everything is going to fall through. Everything is going to get better. It's just a matter of me not giving up. It's overwhelming, trust me, but as soon as I overcome this bump, everything is going to get better. Right now, I'm about to pick up some groceries here at Sam's, and then I'm about to head home. And yeah, just keep on working. The grind don't stop. The grind don't fucking stop. If y'all want to reach your goals, you can't stop. You can't have no buts, no ifs, nothing, bro. You gotta do it just because you have to, bro. I just feel so overwhelmed because right now that I was leaving to work, my son just holding me, you know, like he didn't want me to go. Now he's getting older, he's understanding certain things, he's acting so grown as well. He's acting like a grown little man. Like now he's not a baby no more. He's a grown little boy, you know, and it hurts me, man. I'm so close to passing my combine. I'm so close to to having my funded account and being able to change my life, man. This is why I do it. I want to be financially free, so I am not dependable on a fucking job. I am not spending the time, so I am not wasting time away from my loved ones, man. Like, that's the whole reason why I do this shit, man. And honestly, everything is coming down. Everything is breaking me down. I'm so overwhelmed with so many stuff. I'm so saturated with new things to learn, new ways to record. I'm implementing new videos. Like, I'm trying new things, right? I'm learning as I'm going as well. Like, I'm trying to become better, and I'm faced with all this adversity, but I prayed to the Lord for these challenges. Why? So he can test my faith, so he can make me stronger. And I know it's a test of my faith. I know if I push past this, God is going to have my back like he always has. It's just a test, man. Like, I can't give up. I cannot give up, no matter how tired, no matter how broken I am inside, no matter what I'm going through. The end result is going to be better. The end result is going to be better. It's going to be worth it. And this is why I document my journey, because I already had a life-changing experience. I already conquered some of my fears when I lost the weight, when I changed from the old version of me that was a complete little shit, right? And I know I'm going to elevate from where I am right now. And I'm taking you guys on this journey. Trust me, if I wasn't recording, I would be more focused on my trading. I'm still focused on my trading, don't get me wrong. Today I did have an L day. I just lost $100, but that L really hurt because I'm going back to pretty much something that fucked me over last time. I was letting my emotions take over, but it was a small L. My trade ended up playing out. I got so much more to edit. The video that went up today, it was about delayed gratification, right? I gotta sacrifice so many things. I'm sacrificing so many things at the moment, man. I'm sacrificing so many things that I can do. My time, I'm sacrificing all that stuff because I know everything is going to get better because the Lord has my back. I know I'm going to overcome this bump, but it's just my story, you know? It's part of my story. It's part of what I have to endure to grow from this, because I am reflecting on everything that I'm going through, and I'm seeing how it's molding me into a better man. And I'm gonna cut this short real quick because I still gotta go to work. It's a little bit late. I got so many things to do. Once I get out of work, we're going to edit. I'm slowly catching up on my task, and everything's going to get better eventually. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm tired, bro. I finished uploading one of yesterday's videos, and right now it's the end of the day, like, and honestly, I'm just about to hit the shower, hit my workout, my prayer, and I'm about to sleep. It's early. It's like, I want to say 7:30. Man, I'm tired. My head hurts. I'm tired, bro. Like, the past couple days I just been on 4 hours of sleep, and it's catching up to me, you know, and I really need to reset. I've been so overwhelmed in the past couple days. I caught up with everything, but today I'm broken down. I'm still gonna do the things that I always do. It's just I'm just not gonna sit down and prioritize editing and none of that, because I need to sleep, bro. Like, honestly, I really need to sleep. I'm about to hit the shower and just call it a day because I really need to sleep, bro. Like, see these eye bags. I'm getting I have a migraine. My body feels weak. I'm tired, and I just need to rest, bro. I really need to rest, but it's not me putting nothing away. No, I'm doing everything I can. Trust me, everything's gonna come to play. I knew where price was heading. I knew where price was going, but I got in my own way. The only person that's going to stop you from growing is yourself. Pretty much think about it like this. You set your own limitations. You set the expectations that you have for yourself, right? You're the only one that goes out there and executes what leads you to fulfilling those expectations and those dreams, right? Pretty much with trading, that's how I rediscovered and redefined myself, because it's not just about making money, quick money, and no, it's a whole process, a whole system. And I'll lead you guys to that as well. I'll teach you guys my systems. I'll show you guys what I do. But I'm not very well. I I am educated in this topic. I am educated in the matter of trading, right? I am educated when it comes to trading, but I am not confident enough to teach you guys how to do it. I know what I'm doing, don't get me wrong, but what I do makes sense to me. I've tried to like explain it to some of my friends. They do get it, but like I can't go more into detail just because, like I said, I'm pretty much new to this, but I am very good at adapting to newer things, right? But I don't want to take most of your guys' time. I'll show y'all. And yeah, we'll get on to it. That's one thing that I've learned throughout my journey with trading, right? And yesterday, I could have passed my challenge. I could have passed my top step challenge. I could have been funded by today, right? But I needed that loss because I was reverting back to my old habits that pretty much lost my first combine. Pretty much I'm trying to build my capital with this prop firm, which with the payouts and everything, to the point where I could have my own money and not depend on the prop firm. But at the moment, I'm going to pass these challenges. I'm going to stack on these funded accounts, and we're going to go from there, right? But the thing is, like, my emotions got in the way. But I just remembered. I just pretty much clarity came to my way. And like I tell you guys, I am a huge advocate of the Lord. And like, I know that God is putting these visions in my, I know that God is making I know that everything is happening for a reason. I'm not going to question God. And I ended up entering for a trade, and I ended up losing $500, right? But still, I'm up for the week and everything is fine. But I was thinking, like, if I would have passed my challenge yesterday, I wouldn't have had this clarity today, and this loss would have demoralized me. I would have gone in for more. I would have revenge traded, and I pretty much would have started. I pretty much would have started my funded. I pretty much would have started backwards, you know. But I needed that loss yesterday. I needed that loss, and I needed to miss out on that reward because it just painted a bigger picture today. And now we're going to attack Monday even better. We're going to do many things the proper way, and I'm not blinded by my emotions like I was in the first one. I'm not blinded by my emotions like I was the first time that I started trading. Keep in mind, trading is a very mental game. It's not all about the 9 to 5. Trust me, you're going to get this. It's going to change your life. Trust me, stick to trading. It's hard. 99% of people quit, but you got to be part of that 1%, bro. You're trying to get better. You're trying to put your family out. You're trying to save. You got your reasons. You're trying to save the people that you want to save. It all starts by you building yourself, building your mental discipline, building yourself brick by brick, man. It's a foundation that you got to build. It's easy, but the mental side of it is the worst.